This is the S550. We got a misfire on number 6. Spark plugs were recently changed. So I'm going to show you the firing order for this car. It's a V8. First thing you want to do is remove these two ducts. Just pull up on them. Pull your cover off. Remove your other duct. Back here there's a clip. Just push back on it. Remove this hose here. Pull up on your air box. That gets it out of the way. Okay, so this engine is passenger side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we have a problem with that coil pack there, number 6, it's 2 T30s. And you just want to unlock that clip. I'm going to do that now. Once you unlock that clip, by just pulling back on it, you can remove your plug. Now you want to take out your 2 T30s. Alright, once you remove both your T30s, just pull up on your coil pack. As you can see, that boot is broken. These spark plugs were recently changed. Now you just replace the coil pack, put back in your 2 T30s, put back on your air box, your 2 ducts, clear your code, and that's the S550 spark plug firing order and the misfire on number 6. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.